the wiper on the car goes swish, 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 swish. Oh my God, it's super raining in the Philippines. Yeah, it's raining, you guys. I'm in Cebu right now, and it's raining really hard. Not really hard. It's very hard. Look, it's raining hard. Good thing I'm staying on the. Good thing I rode a car instead of a motorcycle. And the time is 1:56 p.m. And I can't see the sun. Okay, no. Holy crap, that fountain is cool. Bird. It's raining very harder than my pee-pee. Chicken. Holy crap. Wow. Whoa, it looks so cool. The raindrops. Oh look, they're racing. They're racing. They're racing. You know, every child do this. Like, they race down the rain. The raindrops are racing down. Every child from 1-year-old do this. Wow, that's so cool. I hope the person and the child are okay. Okay, that's a football alley or soccer alley. And a basketball hoop thingy. There's a playground, I think, and then it's raining hard. Mom, are we there yet? Okay. This is like the third time that it rained. This is the third time that it rained. This is the third time it rained. This is the third time that it rained. Whoa. Whoa, look at that pipe. Horse spider. I think they're having a bad day. It's having a bad day. The orange pipe was like, oh look, there's another leak. There's another pipe. I have a bottle that's filled with urine. It's all filled with urine. Not. This is not good. And there's a pink bus. Contact. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Jesus. That's genius! That's genius! Yeah! What? Okay. It's closed. It's flooding here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's raining softly. Okay. Shut up. Okay. Till no. There's a lot of people. But okay. Now, there's that pink bus. Oh look, it's a pink bus. It's pink Barbie bus. And my teeth hurts. Ooh, that's hot. How many Jollibees are here? There's like a lot of them. I wonder what they... Okay, never mind. And it goes like... Oh. Flood. My phone and my battery is like 19%. When we're gonna be in a hotel. There's so many of them drooling out of the roof or pipes. You know, it's super cool when it's raining. A green excavator. Green. Or maybe that's teal. Okay. Sorry, wait. Okay. The kids are playing in the rain. They might get sick. Like me. Okay. What the hell happened? Hopefully it stopped raining. There's a bridge. Okay. There's that pink bus again. Hey, sir! Hey, your bus is so cool! No. Okay. Why? Why? Are we there yet? 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 I'm making. Okay, I'm making a Scooby Doo impression right now. 3, Raggy. I'm doing Shaggy's next. Zoinks! Look, Scoob, it's Jeffy. Don't give him some Scooby snacks because he's stupid and ugly, like those boys over there, and Dick and cans.
Do not open there.
It's window, for God's sake.
Bisan fail.
Sorry, sir. This.
Recycle mo mga kan.
Oh, okay, they're recycling. When they'll get cleaned, lock in the bath
Lipay kay Kandal.
in the rain.
Kali drive. Next charon no.
Kalibangon ko.
Next charon din.
I wanna go pee pee.
Ay, ayaw na. Palita?
Pila nang charon na lang.
Kali ka na. Oh, lang.
No species, no spicy for me, please. I don't want any chicharron. Chicharron.
Usa ka nila lang. They give you
This thing over here is a chicharron.
yeah, it's a chicharon.
Okay. It's a native thing in the Philippines because no other country cares about it.
May na.
Parang sinaraman mo buhat.
Lami pagaling na.
Philippines respects Japan, supports Japan, and vice versa.
You're almost there, kid.
Good, because I want to pee and charge my phone.
Nandito ka charging so. Ano charge?
What? Is it a big hotel?
Ay, wala ko sa hotel. Ako ba ito sa mall?
Okay.
I will go.
I now go pee. Like. Well, it stopped raining.
Kani-kani ko.
Peace out.